Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. I am Snehal. Today I am going to show you how to make a pie chart in EduBlocks in Python by using Python. This is the code and this is the written code and this is the block code. Let's check the step by step how to do this program. First we need to go to import and we need to take this block. Let's import pygal. By this we can graphs and like pie chart. All this we can do with this block. We need to place this here again. Now we need to go to graphs, last third one. We need to take this, first block. In variables we need to create a variable that is pie chart. I already created this variable pie chart, and here instead of name we need to keep pie chart, and instead of line we need to keep pie. Because we are making a pie chart, we need to keep pie. If we want any other graphs like line bar or this horizontal bar, we need to take this respectively, which we need. Now we need to name specific, like the title of the pie chart is monthly expenses, and this block is also in graphs, the second block. Now this third block we need to take, and initially there will be three blocks, 1 2 3, but for percentage we can use only one, and we need to duplicate this all for many blocks. I kept for monthly expenses like school, electricity bill, groceries, healthcare, rent, transportation. For each I kept these values. This will be in percentage is 25% is school, 5 is electricity bill, and 35 for groceries, 20 for healthcare, 15 for rent, and 5 for transportation. And at last we need to keep this last block in graphs so that we are ending. Let's run and check what is the output. See, here we will get the title, that is monthly expenses in percentage, and here is the colors, and here is the name. If we touch here, then it will show like transportation 5%, here rent, and here also we can go like school. We can add this all. If we want 20 or 30 also we can keep by duplicate, means like here we need to duplicate this block, and then we can change the name and change this number. By that we, like that we can add how many we want, and if we increase here we need to decrease here, like accordingly we need to keep the number, and here the changes will be occur. I think you understood how to make pie chart in Python in code blocks. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video.